Hey guys, quick video on how you can connect your Sonos Arc to Hisense TV. So important thing to know is that you just need to connect it to the eARC. So when you're gonna write here, connect the ARC to HDMI 3. It is the only eARC port. So this is really important. So to HDMI 3, you look on that. So you're gonna connect the ARC, you're gonna have the cable, the HDMI cable, and connect it to the eARC port. When I'm going to look here, right? You want to look here, HDMI 3. Do you see that? So connect it there. And now when you're gonna connect it, then what you need to do is that, I just had it right here. Go to also settings, equipment control for soundbar configuration, and look if also you have updated the firmware for the TV. So that's something I wanted to share with you. And maybe it's going to work out.